Day one of Java programming. Hi everyone, this is CDU to you. We'll have day one of Java programming. Like today, what we will learn, like what is Java programming and basics, and what is high level language and what is low level language, and JDK, JRE, JVM concepts, and we will execute Java program, and we will learn how to execute a Java program. And you need to understand, if you don't know anything else, you can learn from here from scratch. And what is programming? Basic concept, like definition of programming, like what you will think. Programming is a writing instructions for a computer to perform specific task. Like um, you can say, like programming is a giving set of instructions to your system for some tasks. And instructions instructions will be like, these instructions are written in a language that computer can understand. It will be in English that can be understand. You can write in Telugu, or some other language, Hindi, Urdu, or any Tamil, or any other languages. And the purpose here to automate tasks and solve problems and create systems and applications. Why use this code or programming language? Where to use this? Basically, a programming language in any, like Java, Python, or any language, it was used to create some tasks and make understanding easy way to create. And it won't take much time for the making such tasks. And here we can see high level versus low level languages. uh, Types of programming languages, like we can see high level languages and low level languages. What is the high level language? High level language, which is human readable language, was a high level language. That may be English language. And these high level languages, example Java, Python, where you can see and read and understand something, instructions or everything, easy to read and write. And this low level language is like closer to mission level language, and assembly level language, machine codes harder to understand. They're used to binary codes like zeros and ones. Here you will use, and the translation required, like high level code needs to be translated into low level. So it will the process, and it takes, I mean, when a high level language is converted to low level language, and then it will give output for execution, right? Then what is the binary code? You need to understand what is the binary code. What do you think? Zeros and ones. Yes, zeros and ones was the binary code. The binary system, binary uses only two digits, like 0 1, representing of on states. Like zeros and one are the only ones who are, I mean, which are understandable by machine languages. Like all computers operators are ultimately expressed in a binary codes. And this conversation, like high level to low level, like binary, the high level code is translated to binary of for computer execution, not computer code execution. And here we can see these two words, it was most important, this compiler and the interpreter. The translation that translates the entire programming into a machine code before execution. Like a dot class file is mostly used to in Python, in Java, not Python. Py files was in Python. So this total dot class file or dot Java file will be translate entire entire file will be uh, into machine code, like zeros and ones. It will convert and before execution. Whereas interpreter, it takes line by line. If you write system.out.println and system that on system string others, everything will be line by line. It will take during the execution. So compiler was the fastest way for execution, and interpreter, it takes little more time than compiler. And you think Java is a compiler language or interpreter level? Like it uses both. It was hybrid level language because compiles to a bytecode, then interpreted by the JVM. JVM was a Java virtual machine. And you can see that Java was uh, Java was firstly they make this was in 1990 or 1991. Project started with the Java was initiated by Sun Microsystems as a green project, and initial name was Work. In 1995, Java was released renamed it to a Java, and Java launched with write once run anywhere in a philosophy like WORA. You can WORA, write once run anywhere. In 2010, Oracle acquisition happened uh, with Sun Microsystems and took over Java. And 2014, the first Java 8 release, some major changes happened in Java version, and it was the biggest impact in the Java, we can say. In 2025, recently they have was with small changes they have released Java 16, and there is a like this guy is right. This person was the main who with his team he created this developed the Java in Sun Microsystems. His name was James Gosling. He was the greatest person. So because he invented the Java, right? He created the Java. And there was a fun fact, right? In 1990s they have chosen this Java name like it was a unique. I mean, after in 1995, they are making this Java was not work. It was not good name, so they make the name Java was chosen during a coffee break. The team wanted a name that reflected the essence of technology, something lively and unique, and settle on the famous, like it was a famous Indonesian coffee, right? Um, where we will go with step by step. We'll go again with what is program, what is JVM, JDK, JRE, and we will write the first program of Java, hello world, and we'll print how it will be print. Everything we will